Hi. The news of Silicon Valley Bank's failure has sent shockwaves through the financial world, and the gravity of the situation cannot be overstated. There is a sense of growing unease and anxiety as concerns mount that this could trigger a devastating financial crisis with catastrophic consequences for the global economy. The fact that Silicon Valley Bank was responsible for over 60% of U.S. solar financing and held nearly $200 billion in deposits only adds to the concern. The potential for a contagion effect that could cause other big banks to fail and lead to widespread job losses, declining economic growth, and a decline in living standards is very real. The enormity of the situation is not lost on anyone, with former U.S. Labor Secretary Robert Reich sounding the alarm that this bank's failure could trigger contagion, causing other big banks to fail, leading to a financial crisis, as we saw in 2008. It is a chilling reminder of the devastating effects of the 2008 financial crisis that crippled the world's economy. The fallout from the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank is spreading like wildfire across the globe, with the UK division of the bank being declared insolvent and ceasing trading, causing panic among startup founders about access to money and paying employees. The call for intervention to prevent the loss of deposits from harming the sector and setting the ecosystem back 20 years by executives from around 180 technology companies is a clear indication of the widespread impact of this bank's failure. The situation is compounded by the fact that the 2-year Treasury yield just posted its biggest daily drop since 2008, and the largest U.S. banks lost $52 billion, with the possibility of further losses if the situation is not contained. The sense of urgency is palpable, with a closed emergency meeting of the Fed to be held on Monday to discuss measures to support markets. Investors are bracing for a return to a softer monetary policy, and the outcome of this meeting is anxiously awaited. In conclusion, the failure of Silicon Valley Bank is a dark cloud that looms large, casting a shadow of uncertainty and fear over the startup ecosystem, the venture capital industry, and the broader economy. The stakes are high, and policymakers and industry leaders must act swiftly and decisively to contain the fallout and prevent a broader systemic issue from emerging. The possibility of a global crisis and collapse on Monday cannot be dismissed, and the world is holding its breath in anticipation of what the future holds. By the way, help me develop the channel, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I will be very grateful to you. Bye.